Welcome to our tutorial on quality management within project management. Let's unpack what quality management, commonly abbreviated as QM, embodies in this domain. QM is a critical component of any successful project, ensuring that standards are not just met, but surpassed. It's indispensable because it consistently delivers value while adhering to established standards. A robust quality management system provides the necessary framework to enhance a project's efficiency and effectiveness. We will navigate through various aspects of quality management, from planning to real world applications, emphasizing the broader goal of excellence in every project effort. Stay tuned as we delve into strategies that ensure quality in your projects. Welcome to the heart of quality management. In this segment, we explore pivotal principles like quality planning and quality assurance. Quality planning is our blueprint, setting clear, achievable objectives at the outset, which aligns every project aspect with high standards, facilitating seamless execution. Quality assurance, our safety net, involves proactive verification that project components exceed the criteria set during planning. This dual emphasis not only tackles potential issues but propels the project towards excellence. By integrating these principles, professionals can enhance project outputs and achieve greater end results. Stay tuned as we explore the tools that enable effective quality assurance. Progressing further into quality management, defining clear quality objectives is crucial. Aligning these objectives with your project's values and deliverables involves strategic tools. Tools like quality breakdown structures categorize requirements, and quality matrices prioritize success measurements. Flowcharts and process maps provide a visual understanding of tasks involved in maintaining standards. As we navigate through effective quality planning, remember that this foundation ensures your project meets and exceeds stakeholder expectations. Focusing now on quality assurance, QA, we examine how this approach uses various techniques and tools to maintain quality standards. QA is not just a single phase, it's a continuous strategy that ensures exceptional outcomes. Implementing QA involves statistical process control, quality audits, and regular peer reviews, each playing a unique role in safeguarding the integrity of the project. Engaging with these techniques provides a clear path to not just maintain, but elevate your project's quality. Integrating quality management throughout a project's lifecycle is imperative for success. From initiation to closure, every stage offers opportunities to embed quality. Initiation sets aligned quality objectives, while planning formulates strategies using adequate tools. During execution, real-time QA practices monitor and adjust processes, and the closure phase ensures all quality requirements are met and documents lessons learned. These principles, when applied in real-world scenarios, enhance project outcomes and management competencies. Let's examine case studies highlighting the critical role of quality management in successful projects. One tech company integrated robust quality protocols from the start, minimizing risks and enhancing satisfaction through timely delivery. Another construction firm employed advanced QA techniques, reducing rework and upholding safety standards. These examples demonstrate how proactive quality planning and continuous assurance act as pillars supporting project integrity and budget. Navigating quality management, we encounter various challenges: resource limitations, misaligned objectives, or lack of stakeholder support can derail projects. Addressing these challenges through clear communication, continuous training, and strong stakeholder engagement turns potential setbacks into success. Remember, the purpose of quality management is to not just maintain but elevate standards, ensuring outcomes exceed expectations. As we conclude our journey through quality management in project management, we reflect on the key insights from quality planning to sophisticated integration strategies. These tools and techniques, far from theoretical, are practical aids designed to elevate your projects. I encourage you to apply these lessons to enhance your projects, embracing challenges as avenues for innovation. Thank you for joining this educational journey, and here's to your success in implementing effective quality management strategies.